Okay, 36-inch corner shower, American Standard Elevate brand. On these instructions, they tell you to cut pieces of OSB, but it's really vague and hard to understand what they want. But basically, this is the backing for this void, okay? Because this is pretty flimsy, but it fills in this space, and so this gets glued. This piece gets glued to that piece. Okay, so it's 2 inches above this lip. And so the green pieces of tape tell me to center the piece. Now I cut these pieces based on their dimensions. But basically, once I put this panel up against that, this gives it the structure to make it solid. So that's kind of not what they're saying very well. And then there's another piece that goes behind here. So once again, I've taped where I'm going to center it and then raise it 2 inches, because I already dry fitted this piece on that and it fits just fine. So this is the right side. They also don't say what kind of OSB or what thickness. This is 7/16. Same thing as using a roof. Well, that's already done. So anyway, you put those pieces in, and that gives this the structure to where this doesn't, just push in. Because you can see without anything behind it, it's pretty flimsy. So unlike a solid fiberglass enclosure, you're making this basically as rigid as if you were fiberglassing it. And then this piece goes like that. And then there's a little rubber lip here. Okay, and so this other piece, this piece snaps. So this will be behind it, see? So that snaps these two pieces together. And so basically this lip is on top of this lip, okay? And so that's how they waterproof these two pieces from each other. And of course they say to caulk between them. I leave that up to you. I mean, short of you, like, just jettisoning water straight in that crack, I don't think it'll get back there. So I'm probably going to go ahead and put a bead of silicone here before I put the strip on. That way the strip is sealed. And then I'm going to use that rubber seal of this lip to seal against this edge, which should make it watertight, at least for splash water. So anyway, so that's how this works. I didn't see anything online to help me understand how this went. So this is what you have to put. Okay, now if you have drywall, they want you to really reinforce behind there with a bunch of 2x4s, which are in the instructions. This is a 16 on center wall, but I have this 3/8 panels, so it's going to be plenty structurally sound for me. But if you're doing sheetrock, you want to put some more wood behind there. So anyway, moving on.